God lives in me and enlarges my life. This life within me, being God, did not begin and it cannot end. Hence, I am immortal and eternal. I can never be less, but must forever be more myself as this life within me unfolds through my experience, through my gathering of knowledge and accumulation of wisdom. I recognize the omnipresent good. I acknowledge it. I prosper in all my affairs. Perfect success is mine. All the mistakes I have ever made are wiped out. And today the business of living is the activity of God within me. Giving, I receive, and receiving, I give out again. Thus, increasing the divine bounty that meets me at every turn. God within me creates every circumstance and situation I have ever experienced. They are the fruit of my thought. By my right thinking and right use of this law of liberty, I allow my imagination to enlarge my experience. The life principle within me responds with a greater abundance, harmony, and good flowing to me. Like a horizon where the earth and sky appear to meet, this apparent end continually opens up a wider expanse to me. This is my concept of God, the unlimited creator of all experience. God lives in me and enlarges my life. This is my concept of God, the unlimited creator of all experience. God lives in me and enlarges my life.